Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we format the column width in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, we have a sample project here, and as you can see guys, we have this column A which is quite wider than we need. So to adjust the width of this column, what we would do is we would just select the entire column by clicking on the name, or we can just select a cell in this column. After selecting the column, just press home, click on home, and in this cell group, click on format, and this one, the third option, column width. Here you can type whatever you want to insert the width of the column, like now it's 20.71. So I can just change it, like I'm inserting 15 and then press enter. As you can see the changes guys, get it. So the another option is to do the same is you can just select the column, or you can just use your keyboard shortcut and select the cell or the column. It's the same thing, and just press Alt, then O, then C, then W, and enter whatever you want, like I entered 15 and press enter. As you can see the changes guys. Similarly, you can select the multiple of cell and apply the changes depending upon the needs, like here I'm entering 15 and OK, get it. And you can also just keep your cursor in this between the name of this column A and B. You'll see the cross marking, just double click on that, and the system will take it automatically according to the text enter in this column. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.